Hello and welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you the simple African drop donut recipe with you all. So easy to put together and you are definitely going to love it. If today being your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Afia. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. To begin with, I'll start by mixing my ingredients. So to a bowl, I'll go in with my sugar. I'll be listing the quantity and everything I use in the description box for you to check it out. Moving forward, I'll go in with some melted butter and I'll go in with my hand mix and I'll mix all together until the sugar dissolves very well. While that is going on, let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing and commenting on my videos. Fam, I am very grateful. So whilst that is done, I'll go in with my egg, and for the egg I'll be adding it one after the other. If you have machine mixer, go ahead and use it and it's going to work perfectly for you. Okay, all right, so now let's mix everything together until it is nice and well incorporated. Moving forward, I'm also going to be going in with my evaporated milk and I'm also going to be adding it gradually until everything is nice and well incorporated. You can as well use any other milk of your choice. Moving forward, I'll also go in with some vanilla essence. For the flavor, you can as well use any flavor of choice. All right, add in some nutmeg as well. You can omit it if you don't want it. Moving forward, I'll also go in with my self-rising flour, and self-rising flour basically consists of salt, all-purpose flour and some baking powder. All right, so no need adding in salt and baking powder since I'm using self-rising flour. Kindly note this. I'll mix everything well until I reach the perfect consistency that I want. Whilst that is going on, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell as well so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so after mixing the dough, I realized the consistency was a little bit tough or hard for me, so I needed to go in with extra milk. So that's what you see me added to it, and this is the perfect consistency that I'll be going for. And afterwards, no need resting this dough. All that is left is to start to heat up your oil and start to fry your donut. It's also easy and very quick recipe. All right, so to a heated pan, I'll go in with my cooking oil. Use any oil of your choice. Allow the oil to heat up a little bit and start to drop in your donuts. It's very easy, and in less than 30 minutes you have your own homemade African drop donuts nicely done. So now let's fry this on low medium heat until it is nice and golden brown. And if you're still watching this video at this point and you haven't given me a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly give your girl a thumbs up, share this video to reach wider audience, and please do well to turn on the post notification bell as well so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. And don't forget as well to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so after frying this donut on low medium heat, this is how it turned out. It turned out so good. I just love how golden it turned out, and the taste in there was just amazing as well. So I'll remove everything from the oil and repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. Alright, so after frying the second batch, this is how it turned out as well. It turned out so good, and I hope you're going to try this recipe for your family this Christmas season. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do what to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.